So we're currently at Costco, shopping for our grad trip to Cape Cod. Nidhi is there, picking up some croissant. Nidhi, say croissant.
Croissant.
Yeah, sorry. And this is Costco right now, massive store in America. So it's a moment of truth now. We bought some stuff for the trip, and the bill is gonna come. Nidhi Nilesh is treating us because she's from Dubai.
Dubai people.
Dubai people. Any estimates, guys, what the bill will be?
700.
700?
890.
890 rupees, 700 rupees.
Dollars.
So, okay, cool. Let's check it out. I'm at 600, guys. So, both the boys just loaded up this car. And look at madam inside. Look at that. I just said. Yeah. Oh, shit, dude. We just dropped her purse, bag with you. Yagi dropped it. Yagi dropped it.
Look at the back.
Yagi dropped it.
Let me a wipe.
Get a wipe, bro. Get a wipe. Her bag is wet.
Where did I get a wipe from?
From my bag.
Bro, seriously, get her a wipe.
You got a wipe, bro.
We're really sorry that the bag is wet. Yagi dropped it.
Yeah, you didn't know. Yeah,
And
you're being
Yagi's not
chivalrous.
sorry.
Yeah, you're being chivalrous. Open the
There's
door.
more stuff in the car out here. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Completely packed.
Look at that. Good job. Back to the greenhouse apartments, and that's our trolley for going up for what's happening, and that's for Cape Cod soon. So Prakyat is helping us carry stuff upstairs to his own house, and Nidhi and Yagi are going to pick up more stuff very soon. Cool guys, see you soon. Bye. Time for our trip. We're going for a 1.5 day trip, and this woman is not able to fit her clothes and her stuff in one large suitcase and one large backpack.
I'm not taking that back.
It's pretty sad to see the state of millennials today not being minimalistic. People in Dubai shut their suitcase. Great job happening out here.
it like you're sitting on a camel.
Exactly. What's up?
What's up?
Time to roll. Cape Cod, let's go. Natasha, Cape Cod, let's go. We've got big meals happening for everyone out here. Let's go. This is all for 7 people, by the way. Or 8 people, 7 people, whatever. 8.
Got here, the house, car is parked, basketball game is going on, and quick tour of the apartment right now. So this is the deck area. I think you enter from the front out there. So we're entering the house. And that is my fellow vlogger Neha Jain in the house. Sick living room out here. Cape Cod fishes out there. Natasha's here as well. Let's go. That is bedroom 1 with 2 bunk beds. Akshat and Neha sleeping in those different beds out there. And then this is room 2. Room 3. 3 rooms, right?
There's one more down. Go down.
Alright, we're going down now. I think there's a games room downstairs. Welcome to the Cape Cod game room. Whoa, this is sick. So, washer dryer, air hockey, puzzles. This is insane, guys. There's another. Okay, I'm sleeping here. Dibs on one of these beds. One beds here, many beds. And there's arcade in this house. Ping pong, foosball. This is a bachelor pad, guys. Fun times begin.
So cooking is now in progress. I'm making the chocolate coffee mousse again, and I'm an expert in making this, but it's not coming out right so far. We've got Sam helping us out and Rehan as well. Hopefully it comes out correct. Nidhi is the sous chef today because I'm the head chef, and outside we've got a game of water pong going out. So yeah, be healthy, keep hydrated. So there are 2 kinds of people in life: one who do real work, and the other ones are here trying to fix a vacuum when they can pick up the balls on the ground very easily.
This is for the future.
For the future.
Now for the future.
Mr. Goa and Mr. Sri Lanka in the house. And Cooley from Dubai is here as well. Pasta in the making. Let's go. Time for dinner. Do the big reveal, Yagi. Do the big reveal. Whoa. Looks fantastic. I'm saying fam. So we've got some salad here, some garlic bread as well. Some pasta out there, a big watermelon, and some ready food. Let's go.
Thank you, God, for the dessert.
You're welcome. Was too tight or what?
Boy, gee.
It's like ice cream. That's what he said.
That's what he said.
Oh!
That's also what she said.
There's chocolate ice cream.
Get. और देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई ना अच्छा लगता है, तुमसे कोई ना प्यार, देखा कोई जब से देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना, तुमसे कोई प्यारा। Is she fine, guys? Light, Rami. Light.
Natasha,
Are you okay?
are you okay? Are you okay?
Rehan, show your face for the vlog. How do you feel?
Bro, I fucking don't know what the fuck is happening.
Rehan just got pinned down.
Oh my god, dude.
Sanjana, Basuki, BCG.
It's like a Fort Dubai dick.
Okay, bro, I'll try something on my head, bro. Come on. And it's cleanup time right now. Sameer doing a fantastic job at the back out there. Good job, Sameer. Akshat also doing a good job. Mridu supervising both the boys. And out here we have the three ladies doing some washing as well. Great job, guys. So we're currently at Chatham. Cal got us here. Cal, show your... Yeah, that's what we represent. Apparently there are sharks in this river come ocean. And Jaws, the movie with the sharks, was shot here as well. So currently we're by the Atlantic Ocean at this place called Chatham. And you know, nature has such a powerful energy that whenever you're around it, you feel so alive. I'm next to an ocean right now and the sun is setting at the background, and there are very few things that are more beautiful than nature untouched. This is one of them. So in these moments, like, you know, I try to put off my camera and just enjoy the moment. So this is it for the vlog right now, but hope you guys are at home enjoying being healthy and take some time to appreciate nature as well. Cheers. Eating momos right now, and every person out here is on the Cape Cod trip. Got some veg, the veg guys and girls sitting here, the programmers are sitting there, the cool people are sitting here, and those are our domestic help. no. Drivers are sitting here. Alright, Mr. CT, what are you waiting for? Momos? Okay. Are you excited for them?
Yeah,
How excited are you?
very.
So now we're packing up and it's time to head back to eat some dosas on the way. Prakit got the dishwasher. Nidhi is leading the charge out here with her cleaning companies. Great job, Nidhi. Sam doing a great job as well. And Neha's casually chilling out there while everybody else is cleaning.
Chilling.
In the house right now, Ronnie Coleman. Let's go, Akshat. Come on.
One bicep curl.
Great. We've got some paparazzi watching him. Coaches here. Cal, the coach. Akshat, how was it heavy?
No. Bro, light work.
Light work. Alright, end of the Cape Cod trip. Say bye, guys. Bye. We'll see you soon. Bye. Got some big meals on the table right now. Cedar wood here. Some chicken wings for the kid on the table. That's some fish from Mridu, fish and chips. And my man Sam is having a huge ass pasta because carbs are good for health.
Yes.
So, and this is chicken for you. Gains make it all happen. Let's keep going.
Chicken farm.
Nobody eats the pizza. They want some footage? Leave them.
Oh,